Code C, part 4 of 9, spring seat. Create a new file. Select units millimeter. Select model template. Enter the name. Spring seat. Click OK. Create a sketch. Select YZ plane. Click OK. We are going to draw the profile for our revolved section. Select profile tool. Start from XC dimension 10 mm. XC dimension 0 and enter a vertical height of 19 mm length and angle 90 degree. Now draw a length of 10 mm angle 0 degree. Now enter length 5 mm angle 90 degree. Now enter length 8 mm angle 0 degree. Now enter 11 mm angle 270 degree. Now enter 8 mm angle 180 degree. Similarly, enter the length 8 mm angle 270 degree. Escape from the profile tool, select view, decrease the size of the dimension. Now rearrange the dimension so that our sketch will be visible. Now select profile tool, select from this origin point, enter 5 mm length angle 0 degree and connect this our last sketch point. Press escape. This is our section for revolve. Finish the sketch. Select revolve. Select specify vector. Select the z-axis of the coordinate system. Default 360-degree angle from. Click OK. Hide the sketch. Right click. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File. Close all parts. This completes Code C, part 4 of 9, spring seat.